Today we will make a unique standing floral decoration. It is very easy to make and looks very beautiful, simple and quick. So let's start the magic. To make this we need artificial red rose flowers, artificial gypsophila flowers, decorative golden crystal stand, kamini leaves, white artificial poppy flowers, oasis floral foam, rope. Let's start. Step 1. We will first place the oasis foam on the top of the stand. Then we will tie it properly with rope. Step 2. Now it is time to prepare the base. We are taking these kamini leaves. Apply it to every corner of the foam, from the top and bottom, so that the foam is completely hidden. This is called perfect base covering. Look how dense and natural it looks now. Step 3. Now it's time for our most beautiful white poppy flowers. Push them just a little deeper into the foam so that they set completely. See how much life comes into the arrangement. Now it's time for our showstopper red roses. Set them like this among the white flowers and greenery. Lastly, tiny white gypsophila. Place them like this among the flowers. And voila, our professional look is ready. Our beautiful standing floral decoration is all set. Stay connected with us for more such decoration videos. Like, share, and subscribe to Sai Hira Decor. Sai Hira Ram.